what is the best procedure to remove loose skin following weight loss? And that is a complicated question, but the bottom line answer is usually it is a tummy tuck or a body lift operation, but that's only the beginning. Check out my website, drstoker.com, the before and after picture photo gallery where I've got over 10,000 pictures, and check out the after weight loss section in particular. You'll see the huge amount of variation in how people appear after losing large amounts of weight. I'm talking 100, 200 pounds or more. Often we start with the abdomen, and sometimes if they're at closer to their ideal weight, we keep going circumferentially all the way around for a body lift. But we also typically address the breasts, both in men and in women, the arms, the face and neck, as well as the torso and the thighs. The mons pubis is also a really important area to forget. It's often covered by somebody's underwear, but it can be humiliating to those who have lost a lot of weight when they can't really see their private parts. Surgery after weight loss is an area of great expertise for me. It's really fun because it is both challenging, rewarding, and often one of the more important days of a person's life when I perform plastic surgery on them following massive weight loss.